Hello, listeners around the globe. This is your loving host, Dr. Afshan Hashmi, and today in Glam World with Dr. Afshan Hashmi, I would be talking about Gharara pants. And before that, I want to remind you that these are my two books, and these both are bestsellers on Amazon. And have you bought these two books? If you haven't, please go and buy them wherever books are sold and give me an honest review, and you will love these two books. This one is a business book, and this one is a science fiction book. And now, having said that, now I will be talking about Gharara pants. What is Gharara? A Gharara is a traditional Lucknowi outfit traditionally worn by women of the Indian subcontinent, notably in the Ganga Jamuni Tehzeeb, which is in the Lucknow belt of modern India. It consists of a kurti, a short mid thigh length tunic, a dupatta veil, and most importantly, a pair of wide leg pants rushed at the knee so they flare out dramatically, known as gharara. The knee area, called the gota in Urdu, is often elaborately embroidered in zari and zardozi work. Each leg of a traditional gharara is made from over 12 meters of fabric, often silk brocade. Shararas originated in Awadh region of Uttar Pradesh during the era of the Nawab. During the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the gharara was part of the everyday attire among Muslim women on the Hindi belt. Ghararas were made also popular in Pakistan and Bangladesh in the 1950s and 60s, with popular figures wearing them. And today, gararas are again very much in fashion, and they are worn not only on weddings but in very special occasions. And here, see a beautiful garara outfit, and this is in Zardozi. And see how Zardozi embroidery is all over the place, and it is so beautiful. And next is again a wedding attire, and see how beautiful the embroidery is in multicolors. And then I will show you another Garara outfit, and see how beautiful this one is in black, and it is made of brocade and silk, and this is so beautiful and so in these days. Then you see here is a Garara again, so beautiful, and it is in chiffon and with so much embroidery. Just see how beautiful this is. And wow, this is so beautiful. Just see how nice it is, and it looks like so beautiful. And see, the goat is here, which is called gota also sometimes, and this is so pretty. And this is in green outfit, and these are worn on mehndi occasions like the henna night by girls as well as the bride, and it is so beautiful. Then see this one is in tissue, and this is so beautiful. The color is so beautiful, and I love the color of this and the embroidery of this. And then see this in turquoise blue, and this is in a modern style with a long kurta, and girls and bridesmaids and all, even the bride loves wearing this. And this one again is a modern style, and see how beautiful it is. And see this one, it is so beautiful, worn by the bride or bride sister. It will look so good. And then is this one, this is so beautiful. Just see this one, and see this white one is so beautiful. And friends, now I sign off from this Before signing off, I will remind you again that see how these two books, The Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace, is a business book, and this one, The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection, is also a science fiction book, and both are Amazon bestsellers. And now, your loving host, Dr. Rafshan Hashmi, will be signing off from this episode of my Glam World with Dr. Rafshan Hashmi, and see you in another episode next month, and enjoy the Garara band's presentation I have just given, and love you all, and very very beautiful Garara pants. You will enjoy wearing them. Get some made and you will love it. And now, friends, cheers and bye bye.